Hey YouTube, welcome to my channel. My name is Geneva. Thank you so much for being here. If you clicked on this video, it's because you want to see my first impressions of my Marc Jacobs tote bag in the color Chianti. And yeah, I wanted to do this video because I've watched so many reviews, but I haven't seen any in this specific color or this specific size. So if you find this video helpful in any way, then be sure to give it a thumbs up. And as far as this channel goes, it's supposed to be a lifestyle channel. However, procrastination. So you may get a video once a week, once a month, but I wanted to do this specific video so that way it could help somebody else who is looking for this specific bag. So let's go ahead and jump into it. So this is the bag. I got it for Christmas. I love it so much. My husband and I, he knows what I want because I let him know. So I picked this specific bag out and I love this color. I have shoes and other things to match it. So I wanted this specific one because I didn't have anything in my collection that looked like this. I wanted the mini because I want it to be a purse. I didn't want a large tote bag. I didn't need that. I wanted a handbag. So yeah, so I haven't even unwrapped it or anything. The tags are still on it and I just love it. I'll go ahead and give you the dimensions in case you are interested. I'm looking over to the right because that's where my notes are. So the bag is 10 inches in length. It's 5 inches in diameter, and then the height is 8 inches. So I think it is the perfect size. I will do shots so that way you can see it on my frame. I am a 5'7", so I'll show you exactly what it looks like on me. It comes with a top handle, and then it also comes with a strap that is cross body. So let's go ahead and unwrap this baby. I love too that it is top grain leather, the entire bag. We'll just put that down there. Then I'm just going to zip it and take all the stuffing out. So this is the strap that comes with it. It also comes with a Marc Jacobs dust bag that looks like this. Inserts. And one thing that I didn't realize, I think you can definitely, if you're paying attention on the Marc Jacobs website, you'll see that the inside is pink. And can you guys see how pink that is? I love this shade of pink. I think it's perfect. Let's see. It comes with this hard cardboard so that way it can keep its shape. And then on the inside, this is probably just proof of purchase. Yeah, it looks like it's care instructions for the bag. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and cut off all the tags and remove the strap, and then I'll be right back. Okay, now I have everything unwrapped, including the strap. So you'll see you can attach it here by the loop. So I'll go ahead and put that on. And the other loop here. I probably won't wear it this way. I don't know. I like the look of it being a top handle bag, but you have the option to wear it as a crossbody with a larger strap. And then there's also different holes so that way you can adjust it. Very easy to put on. If you're concerned about the color of the hardware, it is gold, but even if you don't like gold, I don't think it's obnoxious. It's just here and then also on the zipper pull. So I don't think it's so much that if you don't like gold that you could be bothered by it. But yeah, okay. So I'm gonna take the strap off now just so we can talk about the interior of the bag. I think the color is just like Chianti is a region in Italy, and it is just like the perfect wine color. It is a very, very deep burgundy. It's just I think it's absolutely gorgeous and stunning. I love this color so much. And then I love the fact most of the other bags that I saw, the interiors matched the exterior of the bag, but I like the contrast with the interior of this one being pink. Absolutely adore it. You'll see that it has the embossing of the Marc Jacobs, the tote bag on the front, and then on the back it just has the patchwork for Marc Jacobs on the back. You have your strap. I'm gonna zip it up, and this is magnetic, so that way it will hold on to the spot right here and look like that. I personally like this just tucked on the inside. I like how it looks better. So let's go ahead and open that up. This is what the interior of the bag looks like. You have a flap here in pink, and then this could double as a card holder. Right here with the Marc Jacobs on it, you could stick a card in there. And then I love the fact that there is a pocket, and that is it for the interior of the bag. Looks like I missed a piece of cardboard. I did. So yeah, so it's very roomy and spacious, and I will show you guys clips of the 2 inserts that I got from Amazon. I watched so many videos. I've read so many reviews about whether or not which size to get for the mini. So if you have the mini, this is the leather Chianti bag from Marc Jacobs. I think the perfect insert is the size medium. I bought the mini and I also bought the medium. At first I returned the medium because it was too large. I thought it was too large. But then when I got the mini, I'm like, okay, the mini is definitely too small. So I think the medium is the perfect size to go. And I also bought for 2 different vendors, and I'll show you the different colors so that way you can see. Originally, I wanted a maroon burgundy insert to go with the bag, but I couldn't find any that was the specific color that had exactly what I wanted. So there was one vendor on Amazon that had one, and it said that it was a dark red, but it looked burgundy to me. So I was like, oh, this could work, but you'll see it doesn't work. I just did not like the shade difference. So then when I received the bag and I realized that the inside was pink, I decided to go with a pink insert. So the one that I finally ended up going with was a pink medium insert. I will have them linked down below so you know exactly which insert that I am referring to. So I'll go ahead and show you what that looks like inside the bag. All right, so I have the insert over here. Let me go ahead and grab it. So here's the insert. And it looks large until you fold it in. So it comes with this that is detachable. Go ahead and shape it. Put this on the inside. Okay, so this is what it looks like once it is all together, and you see you can fit a lot of stuff on the inside. I love that there are 3 pockets on this side. There's 2 on the exterior. There's 2 on this side, and then there is 1 here also. The middle, like I said, is detachable, and if you want to keep it inside, there is a zip. That way you can keep your belongings secure. And yeah, absolutely love it. Okay, so now let's put it inside this. Okay, so now that it is stuffed, you'll see right here, it does a good job about keeping its shape. And I'm gonna open it up just so that way you can see the inside. I think having an insert is the best because otherwise your stuff is just going all around unless you have it like in individual little pouches, but I think this is definitely the way to go. If you want me to do a what's in my bag video, just comment down below and I'll be sure to get that to you guys. Can't guarantee when I'm going to get it to you, but I'll try and get it to you if it's something that you're interested in. And I think that this shade of pink goes so beautifully with the inside of the bag. And once again, that's the medium insert. And you can still, with the insert in, you can still zip your bag. She's cute. She's ready to go. And I think that's it. That was really what I was interested in when I was looking for the bag. I would definitely wanted a leather one. I like the size of this one. I love the color. It is absolutely beautiful. So yeah, this retails for $375. I highly recommend going through one of the big box luxury stores in order to get your bag, because a lot of the times they'll have deals. My husband purchased this during the holiday season, so we got it from Bloomingdale's. Bloomingdale's was offering all kinds of deals. And then I also use Rakuten. I don't hear a lot of people talking about it, but you shop through the links and then they give you cash back. So I end up getting a free wallet with this purchase. A Marc Jacobs wallet. However, it wasn't the right color. So I bought one that was this color and pink, and they sent me a cement one. So I returned that and I'm going to get something else instead. Yeah, so hopefully happy shopping and that you like this. And now I'll show you guys what it looks like on my frame. Okay, so for reference, I am about 5'7", and this is where the bag hits me, which is the perfect size, and I have it on the second hole. You guys can see. So that's the first one. I have it on the second hole, and this is where it hits me if I wanted to wear it cross body. Back up so that way you can see. But yeah, I absolutely love this bag. I hope you like this video. And if you found it informative or helpful in any way, be sure to give it a thumbs up, and I will see you in the next video. Happy 2023, guys. Bye.